Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of the same old boring meals? Is your diet about as exciting as a burnt piece of toast? We're going to fix that. Planning your meals doesn't have to be a punishment. In fact, it's the secret weapon for a healthier, happier you. This isn't some complicated cooking show recipe. This is about taking control of your health, one delicious meal at a time. We're going to walk you through a 7-day meal plan that's as easy to follow as it is to eat. So put down the takeaway menus. We've got work to do. All right, Monday morning, time to kick this week off, right? We're starting with a breakfast that's full of flavor and keeps you going all morning. Overnight oats. It's simple. Chuck some oats, berries, and a drizzle of honey in a jar. Leave it in the fridge overnight and boom, breakfast is served. Lunchtime, and we're not messing about. Grilled chicken salad, and listen, none of that soggy lettuce nonsense. Crisp greens, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and a vinaigrette that's bursting with flavor. Dinner tonight is a one-pan wonder that even a donkey could manage. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is brain food, so hopefully by Friday you'll be able to remember to subscribe. Tuesday, and we're keeping the momentum going. Today is all about Greek yogurt. This isn't just some bland yogurt. We're talking granola, a bit of honey, and some sliced banana for sweetness. Lunch is a taste of the Mediterranean. A whole grain wrap with hummus, lean turkey, and all the colorful veggies you can handle. For dinner, we're going for a stir-fry. Tofu, broccoli, bell peppers, all tossed in a blazing hot wok with a touch of soy sauce and ginger. Serve it over brown rice for a meal that's as healthy as it is delicious. Wednesday, middle of the week, and you need a boost to get over the hump. We're starting with a smoothie that'll wake you up faster than a fire alarm. Spinach, berries, almond milk, protein powder. Blend it up and get ready to conquer the day. Lunch today is a quinoa salad that's packed with protein and flavor. Black beans, corn, avocado, and a zesty lime cilantro dressing. This isn't rabbit food, people. This is proper fuel. For dinner, we're keeping it classic with whole wheat spaghetti and marinara sauce. Sautéed mushrooms add a touch of luxury because everyone deserves a bit of indulgence, even on a Wednesday. Chapter 4, Day 4, Thursday, hearty and delicious. Thursday, and the end of the week is in sight. We're starting with a breakfast that's both hearty and healthy. Scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. Don't be shy with the seasoning. A pinch of salt and pepper makes all the difference. Lunch is a bowl of soul-warming bean soup. This is a recipe that's been passed down through generations, and it's guaranteed to warm you from the inside out. A side of mixed greens adds a bit of freshness. For dinner, we're having baked chicken thighs with sweet potatoes and steamed green beans. Chicken stays nice and juicy in potatoes. Chapter 5, Day 5, Friday. Weekend is coming. Friday, you've made it. We're celebrating with a breakfast that's as delicious as it is good for you. Chia seed pudding. It's creamy, it's dreamy, and it's packed with nutrients. Top it with sliced almonds and berries for a breakfast that's fit for a king. Lunch today is a classic caprese salad. Juicy tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, fresh basil, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. It's simple, it's elegant, and it's absolutely delicious. Dinner is a vegetable stir-fry with tofu. This is a great way to use up any leftover veggies you have in the fridge. Serve it over brown rice for a complete protein. Chapter 6, Day 6, Saturday, relax and recharge. Saturday, and it's time to relax and recharge. We're starting the day with whole grain pancakes. These aren't your average pancakes. These are fluffy, they're flavorful, and they're good for you. Top them with fresh fruit and a dollop of yogurt for a breakfast that's both indulgent and healthy. Lunch is stuffed bell peppers. These are a great way to sneak in extra veggies. We're stuffing them with brown rice, black beans, and diced vegetables. For dinner, we're having grilled shrimp skewers with a side of couscous and a cucumber tomato salad. Shrimp is a great source of lean protein and it cooks up in minutes. Chapter 7, Day 7, Sunday. End on a high note Sunday, and we're ending the week on a high note. We're starting the day with avocado toast on whole grain bread. This is a breakfast that's both trendy and delicious. Sprinkle on some chia seeds for extra crunch. Lunch today is a chicken Caesar salad. We're lightening things up with a light dressing and whole grain croutons. For dinner, we're having baked cod with a lemon herb crust, served alongside roasted veggie. Cod is a mild, flaky fish that's perfect for baking. The lemon herb crust adds a burst of flavor. That's a wrap. There you have it, you lot. A week's worth of delicious, healthy meals that will make you feel like £1,000,000. And the best part? You can customize it to your liking. Don't like salmon? Swap it out for chicken? Not a fan of tofu? No problem, use chickpeas instead. The possibilities are endless. Now get in the kitchen and start cooking. Please comment, like, and thanks for watching.